Python's int set operator. I'm a little confused about the Python int operator for sets. If I have a set S and some instance B, is it true that B in S means is there some element X in S such that B equals X is true?
Yes, but it also means hash B equals hash X, so equality of the items isn't enough to make them the same.
That's right. You could try it in the interpreter like this.
Strings, though they are not set types, have a valuable in property during validation in scripts. I hope this helps you better understand the use of in with this example.
Yes, it can mean so, or it can be a simple iterator. For example as iterator. Similarly as a check. Edited to include sets rather than lists and strings.